Guys, so today I'm gonna do an unboxing of BTS's In the Mood for Love Part 2. Yeah. This is the peach version. Yeah, and it's sale, and I got it from K-Town for you. I'm sure you have seen a lot of unboxings of this on YouTube. Yep. The track list. Well, they even give you like the timing, like how long each song is. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus. Sorry, my hair. Is it gonna focus? Okay, no, it's basically just a title. I'm so sorry, this camera sucks. Okay, basically, my bias is like, I'm not really into BTS, but I want to get the photo card of either Jungkook, V, or Sugar. That's a nice picture. That's a nice picture. Very nice. Cute. Honestly, BTS are one of the groups with the best photo books because, like, it like the pictures are so vibrant and it fills up the whole space. I love it when photo books do that. I hate it when there's like a lot of spacing, like what JYP always does to GOT7. It's so annoying. I saw this before. It's so beautiful. I love this page so much. Oh my god. Oh, the cat. Oh my god, wait. I'm not gonna look at it. I think I got Jungkook. I'm gonna look at it last. I'm gonna look at it last. Okay, this is my favorite part of the album. Holy crap. It's so cute. What? Oh shit, my camera's running out of battery. I'm gonna do this fast, I'm so sorry. Cute. Oh my god, I still have half the photo book left. I'm so sorry, oh my god. This song. And last pictures of members. Okay. So I got. Oh, I got Sugar. Oh my god. Yes. One of my biases. Oh my god. Cute. Okay, wait, since it hasn't died, it's gonna die halfway anyway, so I'm going to go through those pages that I went by really quickly just now. This is so cute. Jungkook. Yep, so that was my unboxing for BTS's In the Mood for Love Part 2. Sorry if it was rushed. Thanks for watching, bye.